to the Twisted Kitchen with Keto Simple. I'm Granny June, and today we'll be introducing you to some of the most scrumptious keto recipes available. So lean in close and pay attention, dear. Today we are going to be making shakshuka. The ingredients you'll need for this delicious dish are listed in the description, but as always, we are going to reveal them together. So we are going to need 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 medium onion chopped, 1 garlic clove minced, 1 teaspoon of ground cumin, 1 teaspoon of pepper, a half to 1 teaspoon of chili powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of Sriracha chili sauce or hot pepper sauce, whatever you have laying around, 2 medium tomatoes chopped, 4 large eggs, and for garnishing, a little cilantro and maybe some pita bread bites. Now put on your aprons and hit that good old subscribe button and notification bell for Granny. Now let's get cooking. Pull out a large cast iron or other heavy skillet you may have and heat the oil over medium heat. Add the onion, cook and stir until tender, about 4 to 6 minutes. Add garlic, seasonings, and if desired, some of that good old chili sauce. Cook 30 seconds longer. Add tomatoes. Cook until the mixture's thickened. Stir it occasionally, about 3 to 5 minutes. With the back of your spoon, make 4 wells in this mixture, or holes, or divots, whatever you're going to call them, but you know what I'm talking about. We're going to break an egg into each one of those wells. We're going to cook it covered until the egg whites are completely set and the yolks begin to thicken but are not hard. It's going to take about 4 to 6 minutes. Sprinkle with a little cilantro, serve with a little pita bread, and that's it. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Now this recipe will be listed in the description along with nutritional facts. So until next time, keep those aprons ready.